Today I'll be working on this iridescent Note 10 Plus.
It's a double rainbow. Look, it goes all the way.
The back glass comes off just like any Samsung device to reveal the midframe. There are 14 Phillips head screws to remove, and they are all identical in size, making a screw map unnecessary. Thanks, Samsung. With the screws removed, we can detach the two-piece plastic midframe, as well as the wireless charging and NFC coil pad. Disconnecting the battery is pretty important. I'll unclip it from the main board. Then it's safe to disconnect the remaining flexible ribbons, and there are a lot. Nice to see that most of the components are still modular and easy to replace. The last one is a secondary digitizer ribbon that helps the S Pen work. With those out of the way, I can lift the main logic board out of the frame. There are some empty solder points on the board. These would hold a connector for the 5G radios if this was the 5G edition. Being the standard Note 10 Plus, these parts of the board aren't populated. Removing the battery is difficult as ever. Samsung continues to use permanent adhesive that requires a lot of heat and alcohol to safely remove. Let's see if my snap transitions have gotten any better, and switch this to our new display and frame. Now we'll follow the same process in reverse, dropping the main logic board into the new housing, followed by our charging daughter board, which houses the USB-C port. Next, the battery is placed down over some less permanent adhesive. Ribbons get reconnected like Legos on either end, giving connection between the mother and daughter boards. The midframe is reinstalled and the wireless charging coil is reconnected. It also has the standard temperature sensing resistor that controls charging, definitely a necessity. Unlike Apple, who uses no thread locker and ends up with vibration issues, Samsung has applied a generous amount of thread locker to all 14 screws, not coming apart on its own for sure. I'll paint the edges of the frame with some adhesive primer to give a better bond with the back panel. As much as I like the Aura Glow colorway from Samsung, it's a bit too flashy for my taste. I'd probably cover it with a D-brand skin. It is pretty though. I'll peel off this last plastic protector, and this phone is ready to go. Thanks a ton for joining me. I'll see you next time.